Heddi ni'n mynd i wneud bach o printio o adre, a mae'r print ni'n mynd i wneud heddi wedi selio ar gwaith celf gan Anthony Gross o'r enw Tangled Undergrowth, a oedd y gwaith celf yma wedi cael ei cynnwys yn yr arddangosfa Llinell Brintiedig nôl yn 2019. So today we're making a print from home based on Anthony Gross's artwork for Tangled Undergrowth, and this appeared in the exhibition The Printed Line back in 2019. So to make this print, he made a print ma, bydd angen papur, some paper, so this is an A3 size paper, but it can be as big or as small as you like. You'll need a pencil, a pen, and a crayon. I've just used a toddler's crayon here. It can be anything that you've got lying around really, so long as there's a variation in the thickness, so that when you're making the print it'll be more effective. Then you will need paint. So we've used oil here, oil paint, but if you don't have that, that's fine. You can also use acrylic. The only thing with acrylic is that it dries quickly. That's why oil is a better paint to use. But so with the acrylic, if you are going to use it, you'll either need to make your print really quickly before it dries, or if you want to spend a little bit more time and make it a bit more intricate, that's fine. I would recommend adding some water-based moisturiser to the acrylic, just to keep it nice and moist, so that you've got a bit more time to make your print. Make sure it's water-based as well. So then you'll need some flowers too. So with the flowers, we happen to have these in the kitchen, but you know, you don't have to go to the shop especially to have flowers. Whatever you've got in the garden really, whatever you've got lying around. They could even be artificial flowers if you've got them, weeds from outside, anything. And then you'll also need a lamp. Because what we're going to do is we're going to cast the shadow and we're going to draw on the shadows. So I'd recommend preparing everything in the day and then actually make the print at night when it's dark, so that your shadows are more dramatic. And also, forgot about these, you'll need 2 sheets of paper too. So one sheet to put over this sheet once you've inked it up, and then a sheet to put on top of that, so that you don't get your marks that you've made, you know, on the paper that you've used for printing. Okay.